Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. I want to share with you information about nutrition, facts on a box for the products that you buy that are in a box, that are in cans, or that are in jars. What I'll do is just basically run through each one of the main topics of the nutrition facts, and each one of them will make separate videos so that I can go into depth about it. So it's not going to be a lot of information, in-depth information. It's just going to be general information about the nutrition facts, okay? It is a government regulation that you have to have the nutrition facts concerning whatever is on the inside of that box, can, or jar. This is a cereal that I eat and really love. It's by Grainberry. I'm not giving a plug for it, but it doesn't have much in it. So you start at the top with nutrition facts, and that's really nice because each one of the things I have here, and it's always in a nice little rectangular box, it has nutrition facts. So at the very top, it has serving size. Now this is important because it's the size of the serving that is associated with all of this information. If you have a box this big and it says the serving size is 1 cup, well, you can't eat the whole box and think this applies to it. And then right underneath, it'll tell you how many servings are in this container. Always tells you that. In this container, there are 8 1-cup servings. So you ate the whole box, you got to multiply everything times 8. So don't eat the whole box. So we've got a serving size. Next thing is the calories. The calories that are associated with the serving size, okay? And the calories for a 1-cup serving of this Grainberry shredded wheat is 180 calories. That's without milk, without dried fruit or anything. That's what it is. The very next thing that is always shown is the total fat. This is very low fat. And it's only 1 gram for that 1 cup. And underneath, it always shows you the saturated fat, the trans fat, polyunsaturated fats, and monosaturated fats. We'll go into that another time, but it's all listed under total fat as the topic on this on the nutrition label. The next one is cholesterol. This one doesn't have any cholesterol in it. And then sodium. Now, many of you will probably already know what sodium is. It's salt. How much salt is in this product for each one of the cups that you're going to have of this Grainberry cereal? And it's 0 here. It usually tells you if there's potassium in there, it'll tell you there's potassium. And this one has 180 milligrams of potassium. The next thing is total carbohydrates. This one is 38 grams. Okay, so the last thing, before you get the dark line, for as many of you who are either vegan, whole food plant-based, or vegetarian, people are going to always be asking you, do you get enough protein? Well, if you eat something like beans, you'll get protein. If you eat your nut butters, you'll get protein. And if you eat this, you'll get 4 grams of protein for 1 cup of cereal. Okay, then you have all the different vitamins, how much is in each of each one is in that cup, and that's it. And at the very end, this is the thing I wanted to talk to you and stay on just for a little bit, is the ingredients of what's in the cereal. When the ingredients are listed according to the amount, the percentage, the amount of each ingredient that's in the product. This one has whole grain wheat. That's the highest, that's the most that's in this cereal. And then there's a comma. This is the next highest amount. Is whole grain ONYX sorghum. It's a special kind of sorghum that they came up with to put in here. The next one is vitamin E. That's the third, and that's used to maintain freshness. That's all that's in here. So in order is how it's listed. The most is listed first, the next most is listed second, and so on down the line. Try and purchase products that don't have a whole lot of ingredients in them. I went running around the house to try and find something with a whole bunch of stuff and I couldn't find it. So this was the best I could come up with. So when you purchase, whatever you purchase in a box, a can, or a jar, make sure that you are buying things that don't have a whole lot of ingredients in them. Because what you take out of your box, can, or jar is what you're going to put inside yourself. And you want to eat as clean as you possibly can. And that really is it, guys. I just wanted to run through very basically, and that's the basic of where we start with reading labels on the products that you intend to buy or have already bought. Okay? And so until next time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked what you heard. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to click on that bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And so until next time, I'll say to you, from my kitchen, bye for now.